Hello guys, welcome to Dee-wise craft channel once again. Today we'll be tying a very simple gele style. And to start with, as usual, we need our gele and some office pin. So first thing first, I will divide my gele into equal parts. That is 50-50. So after dividing 50-50, then I will make some pleats, like 5 pleats or 6 pleats. After making the pleats, then I'll place it on my head. I'll go ahead and extend the pleats to the sides. And I'll make a knot at the back. Just the normal knot. I love to adjust my pleat in front, so I'll take time and adjust it again. So after adjusting my pleat, then I will twist the hand of my gele. I'll twist. Okay, so after twisting, I'll go ahead and twist the second hand. So after twisting, then I'll bring it forward. At this side, I'll make a twist. So this short hand, I'll fix it at the back. I'll just, so after tacking down, then I'll grab this longer hand. I will open it up and make a rose. So after making a rose, this is what we have. So I'll just pull it back a little, just to give it some fitting. And there we have our simple, beautiful gele style. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed and you've learned one or two from this style, from this tutorial. Please go ahead and like, comment, share and subscribe on my channel if you haven't. If you know this tutorial will give value to someone that you know, please go ahead and share to them, so that they can also learn one or two from this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click that bell notification so that you can be the first to know when next I post a video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.